this video, I'll show you how to perform finesse shots on FC26. So all you have to do is simply press the finesse shot modifier button, which is set to R1 by default, and then press the shot button, and that should perform a finesse shot. So here's how it looks like. So press the finesse shot modifier and the shot button, and that will perform a finesse shot. Now, in case you change this button to something else, so all you have to do is access the customize controls settings. So go to customize controls, and then if in case you change the finesse shot modifier, let's say to L1, so all you have to do is simply press L1, and that should perform a finesse shot modifier, or should perform a finesse shot, sorry. So press L1 and the shot button, and you can see it's performing a finesse shot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.